Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung Galaxy M14 to an Android device. First of all, open Play Store on both and click on the search bars. Then install this free app called Send Anywhere from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. Then, in order to use it, do exactly the same on both devices. Click on I agree, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the other one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window, you can click on Not Now if you want to, and then close it by hitting OK. Finally, tap on Send at the bottom left corner of your Samsung and receive next to Send at the bottom of your Android. Also on an Android, scroll all the way down and tap on the best option for your ads. Yes, I agree or no thanks. Then click on Close this window and go back to Samsung. On it, you need to click on all of those categories at the top, and in them tap on those type of dots to select all of your files. You can also just click on the chosen ones. Then hit Send next selected. Choose Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and pick the best connection way for you. If you want to scan this QR code, select the scanning icon located next to Input key. Then allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. If you want to input this key though, click on Input Key section and type in all of those numbers. When you finished, click on Receive, and after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!